I'd just like to talk about some new toys we're playing with at Ionic Systems, only locally here in Australia. I'd just like to run you through it. So I've got a Trion running today, which is a 3-stage reverse osmosis system, little brother of the Quattro. The first item I'd like to talk about is a Swivel Pad Holder. So it's a 400mm, Velcro backed, so anything that'll stick to Velcro will stick to the pad holder. It has a couple of overhead fan jets. It's adapted back to Euro thread. We have a Hydra 32-foot carbon fibre pole here, which is an absolute ripper. So if this is something that you would like, it is available locally here in Australia. The swivel pad arrangement, you can have it in the swivel mode or you can lock it out and have it fixed. So that's the 400mm swivel pad mop holder. The next item we have is a 3-way fan jet assembly. So if you're carrying out soft washing and you have to spray soaps, surfactants or SH, this will allow you to get up close and personal and reduce that overspray. So once again, it is back to standard Euro thread and quite easy and adaptable on our Hydra water-fed pole. The last item I'd like to talk about is a Swivel Brush assembly. So this Swivel Brush is a 14-inch double trim brush, so it can be double trim flocked in relation to choice, 14-inch or 18-inch. So a couple of overhead fan jets, once again back to standard Euro thread. So if this is something that you would like, it is available here down under in Australia. Any more information about this or any other product that Ionic Systems does do, get in touch, stay safe.